Hi, I'm Danny at Danny's Do-It-Yourself Garage. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a 2009 Honda Civic. If the reason you're watching this video is to remove the door panel so you can diagnose the window motor or replace the regulator, I do have a video on that, and I'll link it at the end of the video. But for now, let's get started. So we're going to take our screwdriver. There's a little tiny hole right here, or somewhere you can put a slotted screwdriver in, and just kind of twist it. And take your panel tool and lift it up right here on that corner at the same time, and it should pop out. And then just kind of pull the window switch out, and then right here is the mirror switch, and there's a tab right here. You'll just push the tab in, do it with your fingers, and pull off the mirror switch. And then the same thing here, there's a tab, push the tab in. Push the tab in and just kind of pull on the connector. And there you go. So my next step is to remove the door panel. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. There's a Phillips screw right here. And by the way, the window switch before was covering that screw. And then also, when you go to put this back together, and this is why you took it apart from the back, you're going to push this tab into here first, and then it goes down. So remember, when we pulled it out, we pulled this off, this part off, and then we slide it this way to pull the window switch out. There's also, in here, there's a cover. And this cover needs to come out because there's another screw in there. There's also, there's the cover. And then here's the Phillips screw here. And then there's also a small little plastic retainer. You're going to push the pin in on that push pin retainer and just leave it there. When we pull the panel off, it'll actually come out. Now let's go ahead and take the Phillips off. There's one, that's what it looks like. And then the second one. And that's what that looks like. It's a little bit smaller. All right, so let's get the panel off. Easiest way to do it is get some kind of a trim tool. They're all over Amazon. I can actually send you a link to something like this. Pretty handy to have. It doesn't scratch anything up. You just kind of slide it in and it pops the tabs. And once you get them popped, just reach over here. We're gonna pull out and then up. All right, so once you get the panel away from the door, you're going to go in the back. You're going to see the handle. And then this one is going to be the door lock. And we need to remove those. So right here, this is the holder. You just push this down and out of the way. And then we just need to kind of move this out, and we just rocked it out. And then this, push it over, and then this will come out. Okay, now the door lock's a little bit tougher. There's a tab right here that you got to push up. Okay, and then this tab And you see this tab here? That's blocked by this piece of metal. So that's the issue. So we're going to go over here. We're going to pull that out a little bit. And we're going to come down here. We're going to try to, there you go, right there. All right, and then we just need to come over here, pull that off, pull the door lock, and we're done. All right, so let's get our panel up. And remember, we need to put these on. And one was the door lock, and the other one was the door handle. So let's go ahead and get this up there. Just kind of hang it on here right now and go to the other side. All right, so this one is the door lock. So let's go ahead and put that one in first. I'm going to put it in here. Lock it in. It's going to go in there. And then there it is. Now the other one, this is the door handle. There you go. That slides in there. And that's it. All that works. All right, now we need to get our wires and just hook the panel up here. Make sure our wires are out. Then we're on. Remember this little gadget? That'll go right back in to our panel. And then this little thing goes right back in. We have the big screw that goes down here. And the small screw with the, it's going to go right here. Remember, you have that little cover. It goes there. Got the mirror switch. We have the window switch. And then there's going to be a tab here that's going to go underneath here. And from there, that's it. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.